Okay, good morning everyone. We are at a brand new awning installation and we're here at Tony's place and you can see the awning here, but more importantly you want to see this view. Look at that view of the lake, but today we're here to look at the awning. So, Tony, what do you think? How does it look?
Eliminating aesthetics out of the way and strictly looking at the mechanics of the awning and the workmanship and the installation procedure, I couldn't be more happy.
Excellent.
The two individuals were precise, accurate, and clean. So before they installed it, they cleaned the entire wall, took all the garbage off of it, so there was no encumbrance.
Right.
Other than that, it has done everything you promised.
Yes.
It will eliminate me moving cushions and furniture out of the way because of rain.
Excellent.
Other than that, we're happy campers.
Good.